Honor has announced the Magic 6 series in China. It consists of three models. One is the Magic 6 Lite, one is the Magic 6, and another one is the Magic 6 Pro. The Magic 6 is very similar to other high-end smartphones that runs Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 processor. This chipset, as you know, is a 4 nanometer chipset. Consists of one Cortex X2 super core, 3 Cortex A70 big cores, and 4 Cortex A510 little cores. It is equipped by Adreno 740 GPU. The phone comes with 12 or 16 GB of RAM and offers 256 and 512 GB of storage. It has a 6.78 inch 2800 to 1280 OLED screen, that is 1.5K at 20 Hz refresh rate. The camera setup is a 50 megapixel main camera on the back, 50 megapixel ultra wide angle camera, and 32 megapixel telephoto camera, which has 2.5x optical zoom. It also comes with a front facing camera of around 50 megapixel. The ultra wide camera is around 120 degrees field of view. It has a battery of around 5450 milliamperes and 66 watt fast charging. You can fully charge the phone in around 30 minutes. It is available for purchase in China, and global availability is expected soon. Official date of sale is January 18th. It's kind of funny they're targeting January 17th when S24 will be launched. The pricing in China is very good. For the base 12 256 GB, it's around $710. For the 16 256 GB, $750, and the 16 512 GB is around $790. So this phone will be a hit. It has all 50 megapixel cameras except for the telephoto camera, and as you know, it has 4K recording in all the cameras. Just hope they can match Samsung and all in the OS updates. I think they're still coming with 3 years of Android updates only, but they are giving AI and all this software like Samsung is giving. Interesting. Like, share and subscribe for more such videos.